Welcome back, everybody. I'm Tommy McCarthy. This is Let's Talk Cyber. We are finally here, CyberUK. I'm with none other than James Mullins, Vice President of Mattermost. James, welcome back.
Hey Tommy, how are you?
Very good, thank you, James. It's been a busy day so far. I've seen a lot of traction in this area for you guys. Tell me a little bit how the event's gone so far.
It's been brilliant. We're very, very pleased to be here. It's actually our first time at the event. Very pleased to be here on the 10th anniversary, actually, which is phenomenal. But no, it's been great. We've had some phenomenal people come by, great discussions, very much kind of interested in cyber resilience. So yeah, great show so far.
So why would people be interested in Mattermost? Tell us in a snapshot, what Mattermost? Why Mattermost?
Sovereign collaboration. So what we're doing is actually providing an alternative to kind of mainstream tools that when they become compromised, we provide an ability to kind of ensure that you've got resilience in the background. So, when the worst happens, you've been breached, you can still operate.
Richard Preece has just touched down here in Glasgow. Richard, welcome to CyberUK.
Hi Tommy, it's great to be here.
Wonderful, Richard. Now listen, I know that you've flown in today specifically to deliver a workshop tomorrow around cyber resilience with our partners from Mattermost. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what people can expect tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow we're going to look at one very important but often forgotten part of cyber resilience, and that's the ability to still respond and recover effectively even when your primary systems are down.
Why did we decide to partner with Mattermost? What are they going to do that's going to be different?
So I think having alternative systems has been part of ISO 27000 and all that for quite some time. But what Mattermost bring, I think, is an up-to-date platform that allows you to operate in an effective way in modern threat environments, and particularly against ransomware and increasingly AI threats.
Okay, and then OSP Cyber Academy, I noticed that you deliver this cyber resilience board training. Touch on that for me as well, because it's assured by NCSC, and obviously this is the flagship event for cyber in the UK every year. So the cyber resilience for boards, tell us a little bit about that. What's that all about?
So this is really about educating and empowering boards and executives to ask the right question, because they understand the core problems, the challenges that they need to ask of themselves and of others, and fundamentally to overcome perhaps some biases that are there, particularly around just assume, when not if. That's the good practice today.
When not if, that seems to be the mantra these days, Richard. Now, if you are attending CyberUK, 23rd of April, Carron Hall from 11 to 11:50, and you've got time, come along and catch up with Richard and the team from Mattermost. Richard, thank you so much for joining me.